Hey guys, so welcome, and this is how to make a shared note on an iPhone. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to the Notes application into your device. Now, once you are on your notes, from here on the homepage, of course, you should be able to see all of your notes. And now you can just simply create a new note. And after that, once you created a new note over here and provided all of the details, now let's say you want to share the note. You can just simply select the share icon on the top right corner beside the three dots on the top. Now make sure to select collaborate over here and select only invited people can edit to expand it. And now from here, just simply select anyone with the link and select done. Now, once you have selected copy, you should be able to send it to your friend and you should be able to make a shared note. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.